Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I.
Hello lovies and welcome to my channel. My name is Just Queen Wells and I am so happy if you are new and you have joined the Wells family. Girl, welcome, welcome, welcome. We get a little bit sexy, a little bit sophisticated, and a little bit laid back mommy-ish. Whatever fits your bill, you're going to find it here on my channel. Those of you who are coming back, girl, welcome back. Glad you could join me today. I hope this video gets up nice and early so you can enjoy every moment of this fabulousness. Is that a word? I think so. Anyway, today, if you want to know what I'm getting ready for, just keep on watching. Okay, so you know, it's lots of parties that go around here. You know, black parties, blackouts, whiteouts, girl, all sorts of stuff. So a friend of mine is having a blackout party. So I'm trying to think to myself, you know, I like to get ready in advance for everything. So I decided to put together some outfits, new and used, that I have picked up, that I think that if you can be inspired by, if you have a blackout party to go to. So let's get started. So, of course, you gotta have your little mid-length black leather skirt. This skirt I absolutely love. It's a Kendall and Kylie. I got this in a size medium from TJ Maxx. It was on sale for $16.99. I just love this look. I love the silver. It's a nice little mini skirt. You can actually put tights or stockings underneath this, or leggings if you don't feel comfortable when your skirt's this short. I mean, I'm iffy, but you know, the older you get, girl, the legs start going. So you got to be careful how you showing those things off. Me, myself, I will put on a nice little pack of black pantyhose. Not the tights. That's too much. Pantyhose, yes, you still get to see the legs, but you know, they kind of have some imperfections going on there. But I love this little skirt. I would pair this with maybe a black top, but to be honest, I'd rock this with a white top. Even though it's a blackout party, I had to put a white top on here. Only because of the silver zippers on here. I would want those to be showcased. Now, these are all faux here. This one does zip down so you can actually get in the dress. So I absolutely love that. And this is the back of it. It's just nice and simple and just a really cute black leather skirt. And you can wear this in the summer, in the winter. It doesn't make a difference. Leather now is just all sorts of colors and styles and all that good stuff. So don't let the weather fool you. Wear leather if you want to. Now, don't go crazy. Get a full leather outfit going. You know, that's too much. So I love that. And then this little dress right here, I believe I got this dress from, shit, don't give me the line, guys. I have to look. But anyway, I got this dress right here, and it is just so super cute. It is just very laid back. It has this little silver embellishment at the top, which I absolutely love. Of course, you know I like my razorbacks. Now, this dress, if you can see it or not, it is pleated. And I just think that is super, super cute. Pleated skirts give, well, this is a dress, but pleated skirts and dresses kind of give you that nice flow to them, especially when you're walking and the wind is blowing. Girl, it is just going to make your figure look so, so nice. I really love this dress. It's one of my favorites. You can, because it's summertime, you don't have the sleeves. It's a racer bag, and then it kind of gives you that little bling at the top, which is always nice when you want all eyes on you. So I'm loving that little dress. And then the next little dress I got, I was a little hesitant about this one. Now, I got this dress right here from Dee Dee's Discount. I thought it was cute. I got this in a size medium, which I was on the fence about it. However, it was $7.99, and I said you can't beat $7.99. It's flirty, sexy, and all that good stuff. It does have 2 slits on the side. Now, I could have done without it, but the slits are not, you know, all the way up to the ass, so I'm good. It does have these little peekaboo cutouts on the side of each of the dress, and then just the regular sleeves. Now, the cutouts are kind of high for me. I would have, but they have a drawstring, so you can close them up. But the more you close them up, it hikes the dress up as well. So you got to be careful with this. They had these in a lot of other colors. So yeah, go check out Dee Dee's discount. For $7.99, you really can't beat that. This is not a really fancy dress, but this maybe if you're doing something at a picnic or something like that, this is always nice to toss on. Just, you know, so you have something relaxing in your little black dress entourage. Now, this little dress right here, I absolutely love. This is from Glamour. It is a size 6. I love this dress. You can see how it has these like little diamonds that kind of spread out all over the top. And then the intensity gets even crazier when you get down towards the bottom of the dress. It just gives you a really nice fit. It hugs your body in all the right places. Then it gives you this kind of the kind of top to the dress. If you can see it right here, it gives the top of the dress right here in a nice little scallop that just looks really expensive and just really nice on the body. This is a little see-through, so you might want to put a little razorback bra on with it, but I absolutely love this darn dress. It is one of my black dresses that I just absolutely kind of gravitate to, especially if I'm going out to an affair where I can look like I'm expensive as hell. And girl, no, but I can look it. The next little dress I had was skirt, actually, is this little taffeted skirt. Now, I know you guys are like, oh, that's so grandma, but this is a really, really nice skirt. You can actually, this is from JS Collection. I got this in a size, US size 6. I love this skirt. I could put this with something really fun, tennis shoes, a nice little bralette, or I can stick this on with a nice little tube top. I mean, it's just a lot of ways you can dress this up so it's nice and fun and less grandma-ish. But I love this dress. You can even put a slip underneath it that's going to puff the dress out a little bit, so it'll give it really that old retro type look, which is how I love to wear it, is type, you know, a little bit of retro in there, which is always fun. You know, you can never go wrong with retro, girl. I love the 20s, 30s, and 40s. So, yeah, I love that little black skirt. I believe I got this skirt from Nordstrom's Rack as well. I'll put everything below. I don't know. Some of these dresses I'll send you, because I got some of them, I believe, from, maybe from, I don't know if I got them from Temu. I ain't even going to lie. Oh, I may have gotten them from Shein. Yeah, I did get some from Shein. I think the black one with the little top, little silver top, I got that from Shein. I got this. So I'll put those links below so you can check these dresses out. Now, of course, I had to get something super fun to go along with my little other black dress. So I got this off the shoulder dress. Now, this is real cute. When I hold it up, girl, it looks like it's short as man, but it is not. It has the little ruching on one side, and it has the full arm sleeve on the other side. This is just a really nice, cute, fun dress. It's sexy. You can wear it to the club. You can certainly wear it to a party you're having. And the good thing about this dress that I absolutely love is I can put this on with a pair of tennis shoes or a pair of heels, which is, girl, it's the way I would wear it, with some heels. But This would even look nice with some little fun tennis shoes. I've got a pair of black tennis shoes, not black, but leopard print tennis shoes with leopard print and silver would actually go well with this little dress. But yeah, this is really cute. I like it. It does have a lining, which is really fun. So if you did not put a bra on with this, girl, you'd be good to go. So yeah, I'll put the information for that skirt below. Now this dress I was in love with. But let me tell you about it. It's made out of that material almost like a foam type. I don't like that. I really don't like that. But I love the freaking look of the dress. But I just can't figure out why they made it out of this material. I know it trying to make it stiff, but I don't think they needed to do all that. But girl, who am I? But anyway, this is the dress in the front. I think it's absolutely cute. You can see the little theme here. Everything kind of has a razorback type look to it. But this one is really, really cute. I absolutely love the dress. I'm not crazy about the material, girl, but who knows? It gives you a zipper, a hideaway zipper in the back. Let me stand up so you can see this. It gives you a hideaway zipper in the back. And girl, look at the freaking bow. It actually pins right here on the side once you have it on. So it sort of looks like that in the back. That is just so freaking cute. You know, bows are in this summer, and this is definitely a bow. Again, not crazy about the material because it's just, I don't like it. It just gives me that foamy type blanket feel, but I love the freaking style of the dress. It looks really nice on, and it kind of gives you that luxe-like feel to it when it's on your body. But again, girl, if you could have made it out of something else. Anyway, that is my blackout. I hope that you found some inspiration about my little black dresses and pick you up some, because a girl cannot go wrong with a little black sexy dress. And besides that, black dresses hide a lot. Just to let you know, you might want to invest in some. Just to give you that sleek, sophisticated feel to it, hide some bumps and lumps. We all got them, girl. We all got them. I don't care what size you are, you got some. So, that is it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you check out my other videos. I had one that's going to go up before this one, which is Fun in the Sun with my sundresses. So make sure you check that one out. And until I see you again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell below so you will know every time I do some work. And I'm working, girl. I am working. Just the Queen Wells. Love you guys. I like this sundress too, but I got a stain on it. And for some reason, this got all big on me. But yes, I like this sundress too. So anyway, see ya.